Okay, children. So, what is our third one, children? Now, you see, the people in the olden days taught that the earth is what, children? What is it? They taught that the earth is round. Our earth is surrounded by layer of what? Water. What is it? The land part of the earth is very vast. Our earth is what, children? Is a very vast. Bada hai na apan ka earth, isn't it? So here if you see the second section, true or false. What is the first one? The earth is divided into land and water. Correct hai na? I told you the earth is divided into 3/4 by water and 1/4 by land. So first one is, first statement is correct. Second one, 3/4 of earth is covered by land, not 3/4 of earth is covered by water. That is the reason second statement is wrong. Coming to the third statement, the earth is round in shape. Earth kaisa rehta? It is in the round in shape. Fourth one, Ferdinand Magellan was an American sailor. Not, he is not an American sailor. So what is this Ferdinand he is a Portuguese sailor. So here he is not American sailor. That is the reason wrong. Statement is wrong. The place where the land and sea appear to meet is called what, children? Already I have explained in the lesson. That is correct. The place where the land and sea appear to meet is called origin. So this is about what, children? So what is the first word? First one is beautiful. Second one is planet. Third one is earth. Fourth one is atmosphere. Fifth one is breathe. Sixth one is surrounded. Seventh one is traveled. Eighth one is Armstrong. Ninth is photographs. 10th one is astronauts. Isn't it, children? First bit of will start. First lesson number 1. You have to mention the lesson in the capital letters. The earth we live in. After writing that, what you have to write? Hard words. Okay. 10 hard words. After writing hard words, what is that? Choose the correct answers. After writing that, you have to write the true or false. Here I am writing spaces, not that is the reason just I have written the answers. But whenever you are writing the classworks, what you have to see, children? You have to see from this and you have to write full. Choose the correct answers only I have written, but you have to write the questions and then you have to write the answers. So what is the second bit? Second bit is true or false. For this true or false also, you have to copy the questions and you have to write the answers. Next, what is the third one? What is the third section? Answer the following questions. Your children, only I have written the answer because of the space is not available for me. But you have to copy the question. After copying the question only, you have to write the answer. So what is the first one? Why is the earth called our home? They are asking a question. Why earth is called our home? Why? Because it is our home because it gives us what? Food, water and air. So what is the second one? How much of earth's surface is covered by water? How much, ma'am? About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. What is the third one? What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a layer of what, children? Layer of air. What it is surrounded, children? Layer of air. Isn't it, children? Layer of air. So this layer is known as what, children? Atmosphere. What is origin? Fourth question. What is our answer, children? The place where the land and the sky appear to meet is called the origin. So next one, what is the fifth one? What are the things that make life possible on the earth? What is supporting us to live on the earth? Our earth is a beautiful planet. It is our home. It gives us food, water and air. This makes life possible on the earth. Coming to the sixth one. How can we prove that earth is round in shape? कैसा प्रूव कर सकते हैं अपन अर्थ राउंड है बोल के? So how the way we are proving? After 3 years of voyage, ship reached the same place from where he started. This proved that earth is round. So this is about your first lesson, children. Again I am repeating, third class, be careful and write neatly. I don't want untidy work. You have to do neat work. You write the lesson name, today date you mention, write the lesson name in capitals how I have written on the board. After writing that, first Roman letter and you write the hard words 10. After writing that hard words, We have to write the choose the correct answers, copy the question and write the answers. And true or false also you have to copy the question and you should write the answers. And then after that you have to write the question answers, children. So isn't it? So here this is about our what children about first lesson. Here I am going to take second lesson also continuous. Please open your textbook, children, and you see the lesson number 2. What is our lesson number 2, children? See in your textbooks. Okay, children. So here what is our lesson number 2? Okay. So what is our lesson number 2? You see these children, the solar system. Already in the class beginning of the first, second, third classes, we are having the idea about the planets. Here solar system, planets, universe, stars. These are all you are having an idea. So little bit briefly you will be discussing in this class about the solar system. So what is our second main lesson in children? The solar system. This also you have to write it in the capital letter. कैसे लिखना children? The solar system also we have to write it in the capital letter. Okay, the solar system. The sun, the moon, the stars and the planets together all called the universe. What we are telling it as a universe, where the sun, moon, stars and planets this together are making the universe. So this is called universe. The solar system consists of what? क्या क्या रहता है solar system में? The solar system consists of the sun and the planets. The sun is a star. Sun को क्या बोल रहे? The sun is also known as a star. You know stars, children. At the night you will be able to see stars at the sky. The night time. The sun and the 8 planets that travel around it make up a solar system. The sun and along with that sun 8 planets will be traveling around. So this make up what? Whenever the sun and 8 planets that are traveling around, so by that way we can say that around the sun and 8 planets that travel around, it make up what? Whenever it is traveling around the sun, it make up the solar system. Planets are heavenly bodies that do not twinkle. Twinkle means it will not give any shining. What shall it does not give any shining? Twinkle means what? Shining. The earth is also planet. Again what I am telling? The earth is also planet. Each planet goes around the sun along its own path, which is called what, children? It is called the orbit. So now they are telling how many planets are there? The 8 planets are there. What are the 8 planets? I am reading out to you. Listen, children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are all the 8 planets. Till recently, Pluto was considered as what? 9th planet. As usual, before we know that we are having the 9 planets in our solar system, but now it is not counted as a planet. Pluto is a 9th planet. That planet we are not considering as that. Pluto is not considering as a planet. So right now only we are having the 8 planets. So if you see this picture, children, you will be able to understand. This is a picture of the solar. What is this? The picture they are shown here just to see. The 4 planets which are closer to the sun. Sun के close जो planets रहते हैं ना, they are called the inner planets. नज़दीक रहते हैं ना, that planets are known as the planets which are closer to the sun. They are known as the inner planets. What are the inner planets? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Now coming to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are the outer planets. Inner planet, what are the inner planets? I told 4 are the inner planets. Which are the 4 inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Or what? Mars are the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, they are the outer planets. Now they are considering what? Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Which is the largest, children? Jupiter is the largest of all planets and Saturn is the second largest. You have to remember which one is standing in the first place, which planet is standing in the second, which planet is standing in the first place, which planet is standing in the second and which is standing in the third. So first largest of all the planets is the Jupiter and the second planet is the Saturn and third largest planet is the Uranus. So you have to remember those all things, children. If you come to the page number 8, so you see, children, this is a what? Mercury is a planet nearer to the sun. Near to the sun. Sun can closer near कौन सा planet है? Mercury, and it is the smallest planet. This is in the small in size. It is the smallest planet, and Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Where is the Venus? This is a hot रहता है planet. कैसा रहता है? It is a very hot and as well as brightest planet. So it can usually be seen in the morning and evening. ये planet को कब देख सकते हैं? We are able to seen at morning and as well as at evening. Our Earth is a what? Our Earth is considered as what, children? Fifth largest planet. It is the only planet that supports the life. Without Earth, we will be not able to survive on the Earth. So what is that they are considering? Earth is the fifth planet of the Earth. It is the only planet that supports life. Mars is also known as the red planet. Which is a red planet, children? Mars is a red planet. Coming to the moon. The moon is a satellite of the earth. Where it is going? It goes around the earth. Isn't it, children? Because of its movement, sometimes the moon appears in the crescent shape, and sometimes has half moon, and sometimes has full moon, and some other planets also have their satellite. We are what they are telling, because of this movement, whenever it goes around the earth, the moon is a satellite of the earth. Where moon is going, it is going around the earth. That is the reason, without of this movement, sometimes the moon is looking like in different shapes. Sometimes it is looking appear का मतलब क्या है? Sometimes it is looking like a crescent shapes, and sometimes it is looking like a half moon, and sometimes it is looking like a full moon. So some other planets also have their satellites. So this is about your lesson, children. So first bit, what you will do? First what you have to do, children? First you have to read the lesson. Whatever I have explained here, what you have to do? First you have to read the lesson. Isn't it? After reading the lesson, if you are having any doubts, you can ask in the next class, children. Okay. Now what you will do? You have take down these hard words. So what is the first one, children? First one is universe. Okay. What is the second one? Second one is the planet. ఒక్కసారి టీచర్ ఇది నేను చెప్తాను.